If you're searching for a golf community in Jupiter or Tequesta, you've probably heard of all the big names. But today, I'm going to show you one that hasn't been talked about enough. And honestly, that's probably part of the charm. Nestled between the forks of the Loxahatchee River in Martin County, just minutes from Tequesta and Jupiter, Turtle Creek is one of those communities people tend to discover rather than seek out. And once they do, they often wonder why they didn't know about it sooner. One of the first things you'll notice is how established everything feels here. The tree-lined streets, mature landscaping, and custom homes create a neighborhood with character. Another thing I love about Turtle Creek is that it actually feels like a neighborhood. Instead of rows of identical houses, you'll find homes with their own personality, generous lots, and beautiful golf course or preserve views. Unlike many golf communities in South Florida, living here doesn't automatically mean paying for a country club membership. Location is another huge advantage. You're just minutes from the charming village of Tequesta, close to Jupiter's beaches, waterfront restaurants, marinas, shopping, and everyday conveniences. One question I get asked is, who is Turtle Creek really for? I'd say it's ideal for someone who loves the golf lifestyle but doesn't want mandatory membership fees. It's also a great fit for buyers looking for an established community with larger home sites and a quieter atmosphere. If you're looking for a neighborhood where kids ride their bikes, neighbors know each other, and weekends are spent on the golf course, at the clubhouse, or out on the water, Turtle Creek offers a lifestyle that's becoming harder to find. If you're thinking about making a move to Jupiter or Tequesta and you want to see if Turtle Creek is the right fit, we'd love to help. I'm Erica Wolfe with the Wolfe team, and if there's any other neighborhoods you'd like to see a tour of, leave it in the comments.